Hey everybody, this is Suno, and I'll tell you I have a GameCube. I'm gonna try to fix up sooner or later. It might be later-ish because it's I'm trying to still debug it. You can see there's a cockroach in there. You're like, oh no, that bug! Well, anyways, it's been in an apartment that's been infected. So I've gotta get it debugged and then we're going to break it down and see if it works. What is broken is the release button. I don't know if it's because it's all gunky in there. But we'll see. We'll see when we get it done. I think it'd be kind of fun to do. So anyways, bye. Hello mates. Well, how's it going? It's your boy Sumo. I was going to show you how to clean a bit of the GameCube stuff. This is a fan from one of the GameCubes I had. We're not the one that's out of the one that we're going to work on. This one came off of a different one that I was fixing a purple GameCube for, but the whole thing is just a little bit disgusting. I started cleaning it up, but if you can see in there, I don't have good light, but you can see that there's a lot of dust in there and crap. So what I like to do is get some cotton swabs, 2, a little bit of some rubbing alcohol. Yeah, some rubbing alcohol. And I'm just pouring it inside of a cap, you know, like that. Oh, wrong side. But yeah. So I like to fill it up with the alcohol. Little rubbing alcohol, and sometimes you can dry dust this, but I like to just grab a little bit of that and start just swabbing in there. Just want to really just swab it in there, get all that yucky dust out of there. Normally, they want you to air blast them. Sometimes air blasting doesn't cover up the whole idea of getting the dust up out of there, so kind of have to do it like that. Anyways, why am I doing a video like this? Well, I've been sick. Haven't been able to go to work past 2 days and bull crap like that. So, but I thought, hey, this would probably be an interesting or okay video, maybe. Huh? Don't quote me on that. But anyways, I like to use just the rubbing alcohol to get all the stuff out. Clean it straight up out of there. 'Cause that's just disgusting. What I like about Nintendo's way, you could just disconnect it. Yeah, disconnect it from everything. So that's why I love about the Nintendo style. They made theirs easy to access. Well, the idea was that you aren't supposed to easily access it, but thanks to people nowadays found tool sets, and I had to get mine from eBay. Though the eBay one I got, I'm not saying that's the guy's fault. They made a great quality. They just made them too sharp, so they break the screws and nuts and whatever. So it's not against them. It's just whoever made it way too well. They're just designed to break through that shit. But yeah, anyways, you can see that getting that dust off is coming out pretty great. Again, like I said, rubbing alcohol kind of does the best ways to clean it, and Q-tips will help too. So. And parents won't give you rubbing alcohol. I do prefer alcohol pads. They'll do the job too. But if you you're trying to get into those crevices, Q-tips and everything, it will definitely work better with some rubbing alcohol. It's just because now a lot of people say don't use a lot of rubbing alcohol. I can understand that. I think it's like the breakage, but sometimes the rubbing alcohol will just get it all. Just get it done, you know. That's just it. It just erases all that dust. You do, Brian. It gets all that dust. Now I'm not gonna say rub it on the electronic part. No, that'll fuck it up. You don't want to ever rub any version of alcohol all over on and I'm just saying, I'm not saying dust the entire thing. I'm just saying like this fan, the inside of the fans, because I really don't know what they use. If anybody out there knows what to really use, I'm just saying like a home remedy. If you can't buy shit, it's best to do it this way. Or in my opinion, best to do it this way, because I never had any problems trying to do it this way. But yeah, just rubbing it in. It's not a long maintenance. Again, I did some already. The whole fan was covered in dust. I already did like some last night because I wouldn't stop having potty troubles. So yeah. But anyways, I'm just saying this is just how I cleaned out my last GameCube. Again, I like to say, all that dust just coming right out so nicely. Sometimes the insides of these things need a good dusting. There's one more over in here. Oh, sorry, hand was in the way. But yeah, just dusting them out and but yeah, I really think this is a good idea. So that's my thing about dusting them out, make them look pretty good. Hopefully by then we can get to the breaking down the GameCube I got from my friend's apartment. Now that one's going to be a little interesting because of the whole the bugs. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. It's all about the bugs. That's Miss Lulu. She jumped on my bed. Kill you, Lulu. But yeah, definitely I'm hoping to get that. And then I will show you what would happen if the GameCube is not, if it can't be worked on or it can't be reactivated. I'm hoping to get that sticky key thing done, and if it could shut pretty good. Anyways, that was my video. Bye! Hey mates, how's it going? It's your boy Sumo. Right now we're about to do the cleaning of the GameCube that I got from my friend's apartment. You'll probably see the first bit when I make it. So right now I'm trying to debug it after, oh fuck. Why is that not working? Come on. Focus in there. Yeah, sorry. And, okay, I'm going to start back over again. Hello guys, it's me, Sumo. I got this GameCube from a friend's apartment when it got infested, so I've gotten it debugged twice. So we're about to pick out the bugs, and yeah, pretty much I will do the powering up later. Right now I just needed to get the bugs out of it, and yeah, I'll see you pretty soon. Yeah, you really want to get tweezers. Shit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's like a lot of bugs, and probably the insides will have like a bunch of shit inside of them. Anyways, I hate this camera. Autofocus, please. There you go. Yeah, the autofocus, but yeah, it's like bug stuff everywhere. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I am back. I opened it up. There is so many bugs there. See, bugs. That's carcasses, dead carcasses. I still gotta clean a lot of this. Yes.
When you get a chance, let's go put that tarp on because it's going to start raining about 1.
Okay.
Did you get a camera?
No, this is yours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, the thing is turning on. To indicate that light right there is turned on. That's indicating that it is on. And then when you clink it, this is once you have the lid down, this is what it does. So it is spinning, but I don't think it's not spinning long enough. So the whatever down in here, it has to get tweaked a bit. It will spin a lot, but then it quits right there. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey guys, it's me again. We're just going to show you. I just had to get done with something. I just started cleaning it and all that shit. So what we're going to do next is try to get through the screws here. And you want to get through all these screws. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. There's 4 in the back, 2 in the left. I think 0 in the front. No, I don't know if I'm going to get to the front. I'll probably get to the front, but we'll see. Anyways, that's my update on that. We'll get those things unscrewed. I've already gotten the thing done that. So yeah. See you soon. Hey everybody, it's me, Sumo. Here we are again, doing more of this. I know I'm taking like bits, pieces, and shit like that, and I'm making it a little bit more. So showing you, I took out the anchor points, as I said before. I flipped this one out. I'm not going to take it all the way out. Normal times you would take it out, but I think I hate the idea of trying to fit it through this itty bitty slot right here where it sticks at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this even more apart and get whatever is down in the bottom section. To do that, you need to go through this fan thing. Also, you had to clean it. I would take one of these and just run it through the grill. Just doing it like that. Just run it through there, because it'll be easier than trying to put a Q-tip down in there and scrub it out. Anyways, it still smells awful. I think it's because somebody was tobacco smoking a whole lot, and it's probably what is in there. But a lot is that like cockroaches have been living in there. So again, still continuing on cleaning this and doing that. I'm about to take this apart and clean it even thoroughly. So yeah, I'll be right back with that, and I'll do that way. All right, peace. Hey guys, it's Sumo again. Breaking it down even further. If you see this tiny little dot right here, where I'm pointing at, this is for the actual top part about the spinner. And sometimes it's good for this to lighten up. So it helps the spinning portion, or I think mostly the laser, to scan and get it to work. So and what you want to do is you grabbed your screwdriver, put it in there, and then you want to crank it. You want to crank it a little bit to the opposite. Just crank it a little bit, and it should work. Should. I saw this on another person's thing. So, but I know that this is where you want to twist that laser and get it to work. And if you're always checking and you're wondering why this is never spinning, always check this. Apparently this is an off-brand, because what it was supposed to be is a big gray one, and you click on it. So, yep, that's my story about this one. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. I've been tampering with this and getting it all done. Now, there we go. Functioning GameCube. As it scans, it's reading, and it keeps spinning. So that's all good and dandy. I got it all fixed. When I get complete, I'll tell you what I normally do if I got a broken one. I think it would be a fun little side project. When you scrap the units out, it still smells like an ass, but as much cleaning I've done, it works. So I'm pretty happy about that. Well, we'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, so this is a different one. This is what I was saying. If that black one wasn't going to work, I need to still test it even more. But so this is my purple one that I got way back in the day. When I was trying to fix that black one there. That's my original black one. But I bought one so I could take its parts out because I needed a flag and a different air conditioner unit. Because this one was like a little bit busted. Though it still works. It was just busted. Blah 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 blah. So when I took out the guts, I thought it would be a waste to throw away the box from one of these things. So I thought it would be kind of funny to, well, I can get it into more of the light to really much hide motherfucking candy, you know, Reese's peanut butter cups, stuff like that. Because again, it was a good unit. So yeah, that's basically what I've done. Is like if you just take it apart, get one of these suckers, just take them apart and remove the guts and everything. If you want to illusion it more, keep the front end with like all the entrances. I took mine out because I was just like, didn't really need it for that. So anyways, I think this would be a great little crafting gift, whatever. Again, I like Nintendo, so I didn't want to throw away the GameCube. I just threw away its guts. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Goodbye.